Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can fix WordPress site not displaying correctly on mobile phone. So there are few things that you can do in order to resolve this issue. So the first one is you need to update your themes and plugins. So simply click on the plugins, and once you are on your plugin page, you just need to make sure that you are using up-to-date plugins. If not, make sure to click on the update of every plugin that you are using. The next thing is you need to make sure to optimize CSS for mobile. Address CSS issues by using media queries to optimize your design for mobile devices. The next thing is you need to utilize mobile friendly plugins. Consider using plugins specifically designed for mobile optimization, such as WP Touch. You just need to search for it and you need to install this. Or you can also search for AMP for WordPress. These plugins are specially made for these kind of purposes. The next thing is clear your cache. Sometimes a simple cache clear can fix WordPress mobile displays issues as well. At the end, you can try updating your WordPress core files. Make sure that you are running the latest version of your WordPress. So hope this helped. This is how you can fix WordPress site not displaying correctly on mobile.